I tell you folks, I haven't had anything real exciting lately. Every repair has just been mundane, run of the mill. Like this one here, 13 Altima. It's got a rusted out muffler. I don't remember which one. I looked at it for him a little while ago. Told me he needed a muffler. He wants to do both mufflers, although only one of them is technically bad. So I called down a napper. We got a couple mufflers, a couple of the clamps. We just got to chop it off, but the pipe is some kind of alloy. It's probably not going to cut real well with a torch. So we'll see. We'll do our best. Bring you along. We'll do the best we can here, folks. Alright, let's go get a different tool. I just nicked the back of these clamps here. Let's see if we can give them a little push with the air hammer. Get them go the rest of the way here. All right. There. Geez, that's all I want to do. We got the pipe half off though, so that's good. Same thing over here. There. So now I'm just going to use my, I don't know if it's inside cutter, outside cutter. It's a cutter of sorts. We're just going to slit the pipe. Possibly. Yeah, I got one slit on that side, and then we'll just give her a slit on this side. It's already got a factory slit, so we'll just go in that. There. All that does is just, you know, cut the pipe there. So maybe I'll show you on this side. Now this one's mostly off, but you'll get the concept here. I'll see if I can't hold the pipe and slit it. Well, almost went through my juggler. That's not my juggler. Wow, if I can get underneath it. Is it broke, is it? Might need to be sharpened, but... So that's typically how that bit would work, and it works great on exhaust because you can slit it and then, you know, typically it'll catch and then you can knock it off. But this one's already off, so it's kind of a poor example, but you get the concept. You know, if you don't have a torch and stuff at home, but you got an air hammer, this is a handy little bit to have. But yeah, this metal that's, you know, an alloy of some sort of stainless probably, it doesn't oxidize, therefore the torch can't do what torches do. Oxidize metal. So yeah, this is the muffler that was smoked. You can tell by the big hole. This one didn't seem too loud, but he's probably not too far off. It's probably not too far behind, but so anyhow. 36, 535. I call it your fancy clamp. It's a fancy clamp, okay? That's what it called for. Boy, I don't know, mister. That's what it called for. I don't know if that sucker is going to shrink down that far or not. That's a long ways to go there, fella. Let me double check the diagram. 35, 335 is the correct number. Couldn't read my own writing, even though it wasn't my writing. It was stuff I printed out. It was, those clamps are for a different exhaust job we got. We got about 3 exhaust jobs sitting over there on the shelf, and I thought I read it right, but I didn't. So this is just your standard muffler clamp going back on this little guy. What are these? 2-inch clamps, I guess it is. We'll get them threaded on there. There, we'll stick our mufflers up there. This is a 53-824 from Walker. Here lined up in our little holder up top. Wiggle her down to where she was. One nut doesn't want to start on there very nicely. Let's get our other muffler here. This one is your classic 53-823. All the way in. Let's get a Ugga gun and snug those up. Seems as this whole week, past several weeks, have been just boring. Mundane, run-of-the-mill repairs. Just nothing real exciting. Well, I guess it's not a bad thing, really. All stuff runs pretty smooth, you know. It just doesn't exercise your mind very much. This is mindless work here. Kind of like changing tires, brakes. Man, we got these fancy Go Fast tips for it. Part number is 36445. Oh, ho, ho. You can feel the HPs coming out of these. Well, they fit pretty snug too. We'll back off the little set screws. It's gonna look just like the factory. Wow. Let me get the other one. I'll get a Allen wrench to fit them. Looks like they're all stainless. Throw them on the tin pile. Let's make sure she sounds good here. Oh, only 69,000 on this thing, huh? 69,719. She's pretty low miles. Doesn't sound near as cool as it did when I brought it in. It's pretty grumbly. Yep, that's good. We did good. That's it, folks. Put a couple mufflers on your Nissan. pretty lame, I know. It's maybe the lamest video we've ever done. Maybe not that lame. Yeah, it's gotta be up there. It's top 5 anyways. But parking lot's full of other lame-o stuff. If you want to watch oil changes and more brake jobs, it seems to be what our next couple weeks is full of. So might be a rash of lame-o videos coming up. Nothing I can do about it. That's what the people scheduled, and you only get to watch what the people scheduled. So we can't make stuff up. And why don't you just go down and make up something in that comment section? Questions, comments, the concerns, the Insta, the Facebook. You guys know where to find us. And as always, viewers, just remember, if I can do it, you can do it. Thanks for watching.